My name is Yusuf Wele Karatu. I'm a native of Zuru local government area, Kebbi State, Nigeria. I came to India last year, September. I came with a zero vision. This is my brother. His name is Haruna. I have to tap him when walking. But the surgery done to me, that is cornea transplant. The doctor that did the surgery, Dr. Soosan Jacob, very excellent doctor. The surgery is successful. Like I said earlier, I can read now and I can see. I can do things for myself. I have not been seeing for the past 4 years, since 2018. I have not been seeing very well. But after coming here, I can now see. I can say it with complete certainty that I can see now. I can read. I had a daughter in 2019, which I was not able to see her until I came to this hospital. After the surgery, I can now see my daughter clearly. Glory be to God. I thank God and I thank everybody in this hospital. Now I can see. I can see, I can move around, I can read, I can do everything for myself, which I couldn't do before. The doctors here are amazing. They are wonderful people. They are very good. They know what they are doing. Professor Dr Agarwals, very excellent. Dr. Soosan Jacob, very excellent. Dr. Sandri, very excellent. And the GPC team, that's the Global Patient Connect team, very excellent people. The services here are very excellent and amazing. Once you are referred to this hospital, if you are an international patient, from the airport, they will take your responsibility, transporting you to the hotel and doing everything for you in the hospital. They will never leave you alone. When I came here, I did not know anybody, but any office I will go, the GPC team will attach me with one person that will be guiding me. From the doctor's office, to the pharmacy, to the scannings, wherever in the hospital. There are services even outside the hospital. If you want to go to a place, they will guide you. They are very excellent people. I can now go back with my vision, seeing everything for myself, walking alone, reading alone, doing everything for myself without any aid. I thank God and I thank everybody in this hospital. Thank you.